Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am your IT teacher Shahid Ali Khan, and today we have a new video related to Microsoft Excel different functions, that how to find maximum and minimum value in Microsoft Excel. There are two functions in Microsoft Excel. Number one is mine, that can calculate the minimum values amongst different numerical values. And the other one is max, that can calculate the maximum value amongst the different numbers or numeric values. As you can see, there are different formulas in front of both formula. There is a definition of formula. We can see mine formula. You have to define the mine function and mention the number one, comma number two value, comma number three, and so on. Whatever you have values, you have to mention in the small bracket. Same like that in the maximum formula, we have to mention the cell address or the numbers, and after that we have to separate with the comma. Now students, we are going to the Excel sheet we have already stored, and we will apply these formulas. We have a college science students records. We have number of records related to the different students from 1 to 10, and they have different subjects marks. We can see mathematics, computer, Islamic studies, English, and the total marks is also given, and the percentage and result is also mentioned in this Excel sheet. Now I want to calculate the maximum value of the maths column. For example, I want to calculate the maximum marks in the mathematics subjects. So how could I calculate the maximum marks? So I will apply that formula. For example, here, first of all, you have to select the cell address where you want to display the maximum value of a column. For example, here on this cell address, this one is D17. In D17, I want to display the maximum value or maximum marks of mathematics. So after selecting the location or cell address, I have to move towards the FX window or formula bar. Then I will write the equal to sign. It is necessary you have to mention or write the equal to sign before writing any formula. So I want to apply the max, M A X max, and after that you have to mention the small bracket and mention the number one comma number two or the cell address. For example, from where to where you want to calculate the maximum value. I want to calculate the maximum value from the cell address D6. From D6 to, I have to expand the selection, and from D6 to D15. I want to calculate the maximum values amongst these values. They are starting from D6 to D15. After that, I will close the small bracket of the formula. Then I will press the enter key. So the Microsoft Excel automatically calculate the maximum value of this column. So 96 is the maximum marks of this subject. We can see this one is a 96. So if you have millions of values, of hundreds of values, or thousands of values, so Excel can easily calculate the maximum values amongst those thousands of hundreds of values. Same like that, for example, I want to calculate the maximum value or minimum value amongst the computer subjects. For example, right now I want to apply the maximum formula again, equal to MAX max, again small bracket, and mention the starting position, and after that mention the ending position, expand the selection, and then close the small bracket and press the enter key. So you will get the maximum values of the subject. Again, in this subject we have 96 marks. In this column there are 296, so both are the highest, so it will display the maximum value. Now I want to apply the minimum formula. Again, I have to select the cell where I want to display. Then I will move towards the fx window. Again, write equal to sign and then write the min formula or minimum formula min. After that, small bracket and mention the number one or the starting position, that is f6. And after that, you can write manually by yourself colon sign and mention the last value. For example, last value is F15. Then write the small bracket, closing small bracket, and press enter key. So we will have the minimum value of the Islamic studies subject. In this way, we can calculate the minimum and maximum values of any column or any numerical data. For example, in percentage column, I want to calculate the minimum value or minimum percentage again. Then again, I will write the selection of the cell where I want to display. Then I will move towards the FX window, a formula bar. Then again, I will write equal to min small bracket. Then again, the starting position from where you want to calculate the minimum value of the percentage, then expand the selection or mention the final position and close the small bracket and press enter key. So you will have the minimum value of this column. So we have the 45 percentage, that is minimum of the percentage column. So students, in this way, we can calculate the minimum and maximum values amongst any numerical column or numerical values. I hope that you will apply this minimum and maximum formula in your Excel sheet. So students, in the next class, we will come with a new topic related to Microsoft Excel. So until that, Allah Hafiz, I'm going to signing out.